Hello there, guys. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share my Project 365 Qtr3 Folios with you guys. I already showed you this fabulous Christmas one and the wedding one, so I'm here to share the Halloween one with you guys. All right, so when you purchase the Project 365 Qtr3 Folios, you get all three of them. You also get a mini version of these as well. All right. So here is the original version. Okay. So these are 9 by 11 and they're fabulous, guys. You're going to love this one. This is using my my brand new Halloween collection titled Black Magic. And let me take you through it. So this is a super duper special folio for many reasons, and you will see why, and I will talk to you about it as we go along. So we've got a top loading pocket here with these gorgeous embellishments. All of the embellishments you see here you get with the purchase of your paper collection. Okay, so I'll link you to that down below in the description box. Over here, this opens up, and check this out, my friends. Boom! I absolutely love this. So I want to give a quick shout out to all the car makers out there because a lot of my inspiration came from card designs, all right, and pop-up elements that have been around forever in 10 days, guys. I'm going to share with you the pop-up book that I use that really showed me how to make pop-ups. Okay, I'm a visual learner, so I really need to see these things. So you're really going to enjoy this book. Okay, if you're interested in making pop-up designs, or you can just pick up my tutorial and I show you how. All right, so we've got a backloading pocket here, oversized belly band. So you can get some really good photo mats in there. And check this one out. Look at this, how beautiful this page arrangement for your 4x6 photos. And there's a pocket here, right, a shallow pocket here that will hold this closed. So this opens up once again for more room for photographs. Look at how fabulous this paper and these embellishments. And then, if that's not enough, it opens again to show you, to share this fabulous, what I'm calling a laboratory. Okay, it's so cute. So we've got pockets here for photos. We've got these amazing, let me just tilt it this way so you guys can see, potion bottles here because it's amazing, absolutely amazing. We've got some fun little jokes here. I did jokes in this one for the pocket cards, and I did sentiments as well. Oh, I was supposed to read this one to you. Hold on, guys, because I found it to be hilarious. And for those of you with kids and grandkids, you probably know these already. But this one is, why didn't the skeleton go to the Halloween party? Do you know? Because he had nobody to go with. I found that to be so freaking funny. I love it. And then there's a knock knock one here. Know why mummies never reveal their age? They like to keep it under wraps. So super cute, guys. Really adorable. Don't laugh at me. You're supposed to laugh at the jokes. But back to these potion bottles. Look at this. How gorgeous. Again, all of the embellishments you get with your paper collection. And again, these are pockets for photos. There's a pocket over here for photos as well behind there. So you've got lots and lots of room for your photos and this beautiful balance between photo and pattern paper. So again, this is Black Magic. If you love it, you can pick it up in my shop right now. And by the way, it is still my 65% off sale. So if you are interested in the digital collection or the Hybrid Folios Qtr3, Project 365 Qtr3, you enter this discount code and you get 65% off. All right, so that's over December 26th. So be sure that you take advantage of that code to pick up all of the projects that you love and more. Oh, what's over here? Something's sticking out over there. And then here's this beautiful page. Look at how fun this is. So now we're going to pull this out and the ghost. Look at how adorable that is. I just love it. You can put a photo back here. You can put some loose photo mats if you like. There's also a side loading pocket here for some fabulous photo mats. And I love the interaction in this. Super duper fabulous. I hope you love it, guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. This one is another amazing page. You guys are going to be blown away. This was inspired by yet another card. Okay, look at this. How gorgeous. So much room for photos, so much interaction. And in this little package right here, look at this. It folds up so beautifully. And you can get large photos in here, small photos in here, 4x6s in here, pocket cards, beautiful paper. Just so much you get in this folio, so much. And then over here, this is one of my most favorite pages. Look at this. So you've got the belly bands. These are the bases of all the pages here, right? So you've got your belly bands in the back of, excuse me, in the backs of the book. And then here's that flap closure. You can pick those up on my website as well. So that opens up to reveal your 4x6 opportunity. And then you have some more over here, over here, over here. And then you get another pop-up. Look at how cute. How absolutely fabulous. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, so let's close that up. And then here, these come out. Look at these embellishments. How gorgeous. How fabulous are these? They are just dynamite, these embellishments. You guys are going to have so much fun with this paper. I know you haven't scrapbook your Halloween pictures yet. All right, I know you haven't. So here you go. All right, here you go. So this opens up like this. And this is the, what do you call this? This waterfall that you pull the tab here and look at that. Look how fun. All right, I've seen these done in albums as well, and this is the first time that I actually put one of these in an album. So I love, love, love this. Look at how cute, how fun. So this album is the epitome of interaction right here, guys. So you've got pop-ups, you've got flips and flaps, you got all sorts of things. So I hope you love it and you enjoy the paper. The paper is gorgeous. Once again, Black Magic. I will link you all down below in the description box. Look at this amazing page setup here with this gorgeous, gorgeous paper. It's beautiful. So we've got these top loading pockets here. Lots and lots and lots of room here, my friends, for this. So this is Black Magic Folio, and you get the set of 3. Okay, don't forget the set of 3 with your purchase. Okay, look at that, how gorgeous. By the way, these are loose, all these beautiful fall leaves. Super duper cute. All right, I hope you enjoy it.